Driver's ready. Marshal's ready. Go on the sound of the tone. Clean start going into the first turn. And we have a big kerfuffle at the end of the quad as Peter Kleber opens up a big lead over Mr. Mike Sturley. Never mind. Make that John Thompson. Peter Kleber starting to pull out about half a straightaway lead over John Thompson. Then we have Mike Sturley, followed by your TQ, Nigel Walker. Peter Kleber gets off the track. It's going to put him into second place with John Thompson now leading this one in the yellow and blue.
6 minutes left.
6 minutes left. Your leaders down the straightaway. Second place is now Nigel Walker, who also TQ'd. Peter Kleber. And third, with your bump up crashing, it's going to give Mr. Mike Sturley that fourth place. First, second, and third through the rhythm section. First place goes on his lid. Peter Kleber goes from third to first and back to second in a matter of 10 seconds. With Nigel Walker leading this one down the straightaway, followed closely by Peter Kleber. They're in the quad right now. John Thompson's just entering the quad now as he goes on his lid. First and second as Peter Kleber hits the bridge. They're both going into the rhythm section. Lever. I'll just say Peter. Peter goes on his lid after landing. Other side. Peter and John Thompson now battling it up for second place as Mr. Nigel Walker has a good straightaway and a half, about 9-second gap between first and second right now. First place is going over the bridge. Second place is just going under the bridge. Nigel Walker's in the bowl. Nigel Walker's down the straightaway. Nigel Walker's in the quad. Nigel Walker over the tabletop.
Hi, Nigel Walker.
Nigel Walker is not screwing up, Dad. Nigel Walker with concentration as he goes into the bowl and down the straightaway. Second place right now is John Thompson. He's going over the little tabletop, taking the double as a single. He's in the bowl, coming down the straightaway. Third place is just going over the double now, into the bowl and down the straightaway. As Mr. Walker has already lapped fifth place, Mike Sturley. Now he sets his sights on fourth place, Shane France. 3 minutes and 20 seconds left for Nigel Walker. Nigel Walker's coming up on fourth. He's going to pass him. Second place is in the quad. Third place is down the straightaway and into the quad. And first place down the straightaway into the quad.
3 minutes left.
Nigel Walker has just about almost the whole track lead up on second and third. Right now, the closest battle is for that second place. As Peter is actually catching John. Catching him about 2/10 a lap. That lap he caught him about half a second. He's only 3 seconds back now. Nigel Walker, though, he's got almost a whole lap up on them. Second and third are going over the bridge. First place is down the straightaway right now, as Peter Peter is now into second place. Your battle for second is between the yellow and blue and the orange. They're going over the bridge right now. Over the tabletop, and then over the double. Nigel Walker has a little bit of a body issue. After the straight. Peter and John, the battle continues with a minute and a half left. They're in the rhythm section, both going clean through, doubling. Minute 20. Peter and John, about half the straightaway separates the two as they go into the quad together. Peter's starting to open up a bit of a gap. None of these two have a match for Nigel Walker right now, as Nigel's fighting that body. Nigel's coming up to lap third place. Thank you, John. Nigel just doesn't get that turn quite right. You can give John his lap back. 38 seconds left. You got Del Parody sitting in 6th right now. Mike Sturley sitting in 4th. Shane France sitting in 5th. You got 10 seconds left. So it'll be Nigel will get one more lap in. It'll be Nigel's last lap. And the race is over, guys. When you guys cross the line, you'll be done. Nigel Walker is on a victory lap. A second place Peter is just coming down the straightaway now.
Car 6 is done.
Del,
Car 2 is done.
Peter, you're both done.
Car
Mike,
1 is done.
you're done.
Car 5 is done.
Just wait for John Thompson right now. John comes down the straightaway, and there you go. Nigel Walker takes that one, followed by Peter and John, Mike Sturley, Shane France, and Del Parody.